pursuant to this direction of the Supreme Court and as per the report of CEC from the date of the Supreme Court order till to date.
सभापती महाशय, ॲडव्होकेट बाब कालुशान जो प्रश्न विचारला तो बरोबर आसा. आमचें काम सद्या गोंया पुरतें मर्यादीत आसा. कर्नाटकांत कितें चल्लां तें आमकां खबर ना. एज फार एज गोवा इज कन्सर्न, आमी जी लायन हें करता ती हांव नकळो तुमकां खबर आसा जाल्यार तुमकां जाय जाल्यार ड्रॉवींग यू कॅन सी. आमी धारवाडच्यान अनमोड घाट येता
ते आसा
कर्नाटका.
हांगा आयला सीईसीन ते दिलां तो काडला ते हांगा आयलां.
आनी जी लायन आमी आंबेवाडीच्यान येता तातूंत आमी ही लायन एकठांय करता. कारण कित्याक सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निकाला प्रमाणे करता. थंयच्यान जी लायन येता ती आमची सांगोडाक येता, वीच इज ऑलमोस्ट से अबाउट कर्नाटका पोर्शन 4.5 किलोमिटर आसा आनी गोवा पोर्शन 6.5 किलोमिटर आसा. सांगोडा आयल्या नंतर इट गोज टू धारबांदोडा. धारबांदोडा येता ते मेन सबस्टेशन आसा. सबस्टेशनाच्यान धारबांदोडेच्यान आमी कुंकळे येता आनी कुंकळेच्यान आमचें शेळडें येता. दीस इज वन वे. आतां आमकां हें काम आमचें जायना. खंयचें नरेंद्र टॅपिंग पॉयंट जो आसा धारवाड टू अनमोड घाट जायना. म्हणून आमी हांगा जेन्ना हें कंप्लीट जातलें तेन्ना आमकां हो कॉरिडॉर 46.5 मीटर करचो पडटा.
तुका कित्या वयल्यान दिसता जातलेंच म्हण तें?
जावना, जायना अजून जावना.
कर्नाटकान जालेंच ना जाल्यार मागीर कित्याक करता तूं?
आतां तुका लास्ट म्हापशेच्यान आमी लायन हाडटा आनी कोल्हापूरचे जी आमकां वीज येता तातली आनी आमी धारबांदोडा हाडटा आनी धारबांदोडेच्यान जे आमी आतां हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर करता ताका जॉईन करता. तुमची सावथ गोवाची प्रॉब्लेम सुटलो.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, Muge question very specific. My question is very specific.
ही लायन तुमची आयली आनी आमी त्या हातूंत घातली जाल्यार शेवट हो खर्च ते करता आनी आमी तुमकां दिता सावथ गोवा. सावथ गोवा जो तुमकां लायट मेळना म्हणून कालूच तूं सांगता.
एक मिनिट विजय
असो आहा पळयता ताका
तुमकां नाका. ह्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरान जर तें जाता आसत वाय नॉट.
कर्मा करता ते.
मुझे question samko specific. Supreme Court was deciding not the question outside that area.
In Gowa, we have not violated Supreme Court's order.
My question has been this: what has been the status of your work pursuant to the direction of the Supreme Court and the CEC recommendation?
See,
my question is specific. What has been
in Gowa, whatever we are executing the work is as per Supreme Court guidelines.
what is the status?
Status work is going on. I have given annexure 1, 2.
Not of the lower part.
No, you see annexure 1 and 2.
In Mulla's revised forest proposal submitted to Forest Department in
that is
alignment
going
with
on.
CC.
One side work is going on, one side all other aspects, other things are going on.
So this answer is
I will
wrong.
give you, Vijay got that, all annexures.
Not the annexure 2 and a half.
I got many
Asa, दाखयता.
Revised forest proposal submitted to Forest
It
Department.
is there. The project, status of Tanmar project, you just see the annexure. It is given till 1st August 2023.
Correct.
Dharbano, tower locations, 141, kilometer is 52.7. Number of tower foundation in completed, action 3 tower complete झाल्या. Number of tower erection completed, 69. Stringing of DC line in kilometer, 0. ही चालू असा. Scheduled date of completion, 31st December 23. Then comes to 220 kV DC, Dharbanoda Tanmar substation.
Stop. Oh, this is the one. This is the one I'm asking you.
Yeah. 64 tower location, 22.06 kilometer. Then number of tower foundation in completed, 29. Number of tower erection completed, 0. Stringing line in kilometer, 0. Date of completion is 31st December 2023.
Now look at the next one.
This may be delayed. This may be delayed.
No, next one, Podai.
Then comes to 400 kV DC Narendra Dharmanoda Tanmar substation at Sheldon transmission 55, 19.33 kilometer 000. what revised the forest proposal submitted for forest department in alignment with CEC recommendation.
That is my question.
That
What is the status of this?
No, this is the latest. अजून काय येऊ ना?
Can't give an answer on that.
अजून येऊ ना.
All right. Now the second question of mine is, Supreme Court and to वाचले ते, I'll just read one sentence. CC further recommended that the project proposal in respect of Karnataka part should also be suitably amended so as to make use of 110 by 220 kV line corridor, which will ensure that
I have
commitment.
already read in the House.
Now,
I
you
have
have read
already
this.
read that in the House.
So in this connection, if Karnataka has not got all the clearances, how are you proceeding?
So that is another question. That is another question. If the infrastructure is ready in Goa, we can use that infrastructure anyway for all the lines. You
won't be
just
possible.
remember what I am talking. You just understand.
That means you will have towers without connectivity?
No. Other way we can bring that and bring from Kolhapur and get this done. Conventional energy we can put on that line.
There is no such proposal. I think there will be another
that is
impact which will
another
take place.
aspect. After
Yes,
completion
Mani member,
of Karnataka, that is another
Hello,
aspect,
Sriram.
what you say. But infrastructure, completion of infrastructure.
The last
anyone-
question.
one
The
minute.
last question I have.
One minute. The completion of infrastructure can be used anywhere.
The last question.
Yes.
Will the Tiger Reserve Tiger corridor, will it impact this?
I don't have answer on this
100%.
because it is not decided yet. But if Tiger Reserve comes in force, then there may be a complication.
So they're better than scrap it.
Cruz Silva.
Scrap the project.
Cruz Silva.